Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Assess Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow. And you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Okay, so we'll click on assess chapter 4 simulation exam and we will start our exam. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development and many more online courses. You can easily contact me and deal for complete Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access with A plus grade. So my WhatsApp and email both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. Okay, click on Assess Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. We will launch our exam right now. So I'm going to start my exam to solve it step by step. Question number first is that select but do not open the sales by employees table. Use the form tool to create a form based on sales by employee table. Okay, we will select our employees sale by employee table but do not open. Okay, employees by table, we will select this but do not open employee sales by employee table. So use the form tool to create a form based on sales by employee table. We will go to create tab in the form group, click on form button. You can see form is created based on the sales by employees table. So close the form and save the form as sales by employees. Right click on sales by employee form, click on save and we will save the form as sales by employees. Click on OK button. Save. Okay. Create a split form based on the employees info table. Change the title to employee info split view. Okay. Create a split form based on the employees info table. We will select employee info table. We will go to the create tab. In the form group, click on more form. Click on split form button. Okay. Change the title to employee info split view. We will change title first. Apply info to okay employee info dash split view. Employee info dash split view. Okay, split view and press enter. Create a new multiple items from based on the sales by employees table. Change the title sales by employees multiple items. So create a new multiple item form based on the sales by employees table. Sales by employees table. Go to the create tab in the form group. Click on more forms. Click on multiple items. So change the title to sales by employees dash multiple items. We will change the title sales by employees dash sales by employees dash multiple items and press multiple items and press enter. Create a navigation form with the horizontal table layout. We will go to the create tab in the form group, click on navigation form in the horizontal tabs layout. Add the saved sales by employees form and apply info form to the navigation form. Okay, add the sales by employee form and the employees info form to the navigation pane. Sales by employee and employee info form. Okay. Add the saved sales by employees and employee info form to the navigation form. Employee info form. Okay, 1 second. Okay, and implies info form. Where is imply info form? 1 second. Let me see. Where is imply info form? Okay, here is an imply info form. Okay, we will add imply info form. So this is good. Question number one is done now. So I'm going to do next question is question number two. Using the split form, change the commission rate for Straven pattern to 0.325. Use the bottom portion of the form to select the record and then top portion to edit it. Use the split form, change the commission rate for Straven pattern to Straven pattern to 0.325. Okay, Straven pattern commission is 0.325. 0.325. 325. Okay, use the okay question is done now. So moving on question number three of this exam. In question number three, okay, my connection is average. Please, if you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me. With the sales by imply multiple atom form open in layout view, reduce the height of the road so that they are about half of their original height using the first cell. Okay, you can read this question, then I will apply on my laptop screen. Okay, in the form, close the property sheet if necessary. With the with the sales by imply multiple atom form open in layout view. We will go to the design tab. In the views group, we will open in layout view. Layout view. First, we will open in layout view. It's also open in layout view. So, we will reduce the height of the row so that they are about half of original height using the first cell. Okay, change the font size of apply ID label to 14. Close the property sheet if necessary. Change the font size of employee's ID label to 14. Okay, change the height of employee's ID to 14. Go to the, we will select this employee ID and then we will change the employee ID label to 14. Go to the format tab. In the font group, we will select 14. Question is done now. I just show you 4 questions of this. Sorry. One second. I have done 3 questions so far. Now I'm going to do question number 4. Change the layout of sales by apply to form to a tabular. Change the layout of sales by apply form to tabular. Go to the design tab. In the view group, we will click on view button. So we will go to the arrange tab. In the tables group, click on tabular. Okay. So I have changed the layout of sales by platform to tabular. Click on tabular button. Switch this layout to stacked and then display the form in form view. Okay, switch the layout to start. We will go to the arrange tab in the tables group, click on stack button and stack button. So it's straight to the switch the layout to stack and then display the form in form view. And then display in the form view, go to the design tab in the views group, click on form view button. Sort the actual sale feed is descending order. Sort the actual sale feed in descending order. Click on actual sales field and go to the home tab in the sort and filter group. Click on descending order button. So this question is done now. I just show you 4 questions of this simulation exam in my video, but I have done this complete exam for my student. If you want to this, if you do not able to do this exam from sorry, if you do not able to do this exam and if you want to do this exam from me, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, or assignments, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. I am handling many student courses on my lab at Pearson, Sandgate Tap, MC Grow Hill Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. I can do all Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Writing Economics, Java, MyLab Pearson, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, Math courses, and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you.